A big reset, a long waited fix, and a huge relief for thousands of Indian origin families. You're watching Times XP. My name is Priti Asri, and Canada has quietly made a historic change, and it is changing lives. For years, families were caught in a legal limbo. Children born abroad, parents who were Canadian but not Canadian enough on paper, passport denied, citizenship rejected. They were called lost Canadians. Today, Canada says no more. Here's what just happened. So, Ottawa has brought into force Bill C-3, basically a major amendment to the Citizenship Act. And with it, Canada has fixed one of its most painful citizenship mistakes. From now on, children born or adopted abroad to Canadian parents can be Canadian immediately and automatically, even if the parents was also born outside Canada. Yes, that barrier is all gone. But you know why this matters so much to Indian origin families? Because thousands of Indians settled in Canada decades ago. They built lives there, raised families, moved between India and Canada for work, care, opportunity. But their children born overseas, they were often told that, sorry, citizenship stops with you. That rule has now been broken. Let me make it very simple for you. Under this new rule, if you are born before December 15th, 2025, and you would have been Canadian if not for old unfair rules, you can now claim citizenship. You can apply for proof of status. Your identity is finally recognized. And for future generations, the rules are clearer and kinder. A Canadian parent who was born or adopted outside Canada can now pass on citizenship to their children born abroad, if they have spent at least 3 years living in Canada. No paperwork, no loopholes, but real connection to the country. Ottawa says that this is about balance, fairness for families, clarity for the system, and citizenship based on meaningful ties, not technical traps here. But who were these lost Canadians? People who lost or never received citizenship because of outdated, discriminatory law from another era. Children punished for their parents' birthplace, families split by fine prints. That chapter is now closing. And for Indian origin Canadians, this is more than a law change. It's a closure. It's certainty. It's a future secured for children, grandchildren, and generations to come. Canada just sent a message to its global families. You belong. You were never lost, and now you're finally found.